Hello friends, welcome back to Rahul English Study. Today we are going to discuss about 10 most important questions for TGT PGT English Literature as a practice set 20. Let's start. Question number 1. Shakespeare was not of an age but for all time was uttered by. What will be correct answer? Correct answer will be Ben Jonson. Option C will be the right answer. These words of praise written for Shakespeare by Shakespeare's good friend and fellow writer Ben Jonson. The line appears in the preface to the first folio. Next question. Where from these lines have been taken? Good friends, for Jesus' sake forbear to dig the dust enclosed here. Blessed be the man that spares these stones, and cursed be he that moves my bones. What will be correct answer? Correct answer will be Shakespeare's tomb. Option D will be the right answer. These lines are from Shakespeare's tomb. These were inscribed on his grave in Stratford on Avon, England. Next question. Which of these Greek plays was a source for the Winter's Tale? What will be correct answer? Correct answer will be Alcestis. Option B will be the right answer. The source of Shakespeare's The Winter's Tale 1609 to 11 was the ancient Greek tragedy by Euripides. Alcestis 438 BC. Next question. Which poet made illustrations for Il Penseroso? What will be correct answer? Correct answer will be Milton. Option B will be the right answer. William Blake made illustrations for Il Penseroso is written by belated Elizabethan poet John Milton. John Milton 1608 1674 is an English poet which considered the most significant English author after William Shakespeare. Milton is the best known for Paradise Lost. Next question. Which text of Milton does the following line appear in? Thou canst not trust the freedom of my mind. What will be correct answer? Correct answer will be Comus. Option B will be the right answer. Comus is a masque in the honor of chastity written by John Milton. Famous line, thou canst not trust the freedom of my mind, appears in this masque. Next question. John Milton studied at. What will be correct answer? Correct answer will be Cambridge. Option A will be the right answer. John Milton was born on 9 December 1608, Bread Street, Cheapside in London. He studied at Cambridge University. He served as a civil servant for the Commonwealth of England under its Council of State and later under Oliver Cromwell. Next question. The famous epic Paradise Lost by Milton contains. What will be correct answer? Correct answer will be 12 books. Option B will be the right answer. The famous epic Paradise Lost by John Milton contains 12 books. It is an epic poem in blank verse in the 17th century, the first version published in 1667. Next question. Which of the following poems is not composed by John Milton? What will be correct answer? Correct answer will be True Love. Option C will be the right answer. True Love is not composed by John Milton, it is composed by William Shakespeare. Next question. Who is at once the child of the Renaissance and the Reformation? What will be correct answer? Correct answer will be Milton. Option A will be the right answer. John Milton is known as the child of Renaissance and Reformation. He has written many things in English literature, as On the Morning of Christ's Nativity, On His Blindness, Lycidas, Comas, etc. He was born in 1608 and died in 1674. Next question. Which one of the following is a pastoral elegy written by John Milton? What will be correct answer? Correct answer will be Lycidas. Option A will be the right answer. Lycidas, poem by John Milton, written in 1637 for inclusion in a volume of elegies published in 1638 to commemorate the death of Edward King. So friends, I hope you enjoyed learning about 10 questions. Like, comment and subscribe, share. Thank you.